Is it my imagination, or is it getting a little claustrophobic in here? Do I dare go out? Do I dare eat a peach? I grow old, I grow old. I shall wear the bottoms of my trousers rolled. I have heard the mermaids singing each to each, but I do not think that they will sing to me. Do I dare? Do I dare? I should have been a ragged claw scuttling across the ocean floor. Do I dare? Do I dare? Where should I go?
Go to the garage.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Boy, it sure is high.
Yeah.
Come along.
You on or out?
Yes, it's certainly cold out. We've certainly got a lot of snow. Our neighbor is actually going somewhere.
Trying to get in his truck.
Oh, it's a state of emergency. You're not allowed to be out on the road today. Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Who lies yonder in the snow? Don't ask me, for I don't know. Has Peter grown? Has Peter grown? Has Peter collapsed? No. There is Peter.
Snow. I'm first. We can go in and warm up in the house. How high do you think this is?
10 feet.
Not a car in sight. Not one headlight. It is cold, as I sit and grow old. He goeth to the stream for reasons quite extreme. Do I dare? Do I dare? something so stupid he can't share. But he returns to the safety of the road because he has too much of a load.
Get out there! Get out there!
Sunset?
What?
The sunset.
I know, I have to make a poem about it. We venture forth, I know not where, we venture forth. The alpenglow calls to us, the alpenglow that we all know. It's a good show. The wind blows, where it goes, who knows? It is cold, and I grow old.
Floor, Daddy, floor.
Oh, no, slide the snowbank. It's in the bushes. What's over there? Birds or something? Or is it just
It was the night before February.
Be out here, is it? He's got it.
There are others just as foolish as we who come out to the snow to see. The sky is pink, a beautiful sight, I do think.
Someone's coming.
Oh!
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, what? I don't see anything.
20.
Is this paper?
What is that?
Step back. Come back. Back!
Why?
Because I don't want to be too close.
Fire, fire, burning bright. Ooh! Oh my God, Bruce!
You see?
Yeah, but I think it's dangerous.
It's not.
It's gonna go right up to the house.
Dangerous. Leave me alone.
It lights up the whole place.
Fire, fire, burning bright. I think I'm going to die of fright. I could feel the heat from here. What are you, nuts?
Is that great?
No, it's not good. It's
What's it
stupid.
made for?
Hey, it's cool.
God, is he stupid? I didn't know it was going to be like that.
Yeah.
So what happens to all those sparks that are going toward the house?
Well, they're going to set the house on fire.
They're gonna melt the snow. The snow.
I see all those sparks. This is so scary. Is this illegal?
Shouldn't it be burning the whole?
Well, the thing is, we did it on the wrong side. That's the wind. The side the wind is blowing from.
Bruce, I don't like that.
Well, that's too bad, I guess.
No, I mean, I don't like if the house burns
The
down.
house isn't going to burn down. I don't understand you.
My poor little house. I'm videotaping this too. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the police department, fire department, and divorce court, I would like to show you this as evidence that my husband is standing right there. He's the one that did it, and he's happy about this.
There it goes. There it goes. There.
Oh, God.
Whoa. I hope the log keeps our picture.
Ah! Timber!
Timber.
It smells good too. You smell the pine needles?
Yeah.
This is so weird. You know, men are so stupid. This is what they like to do. Get out of the smoke! You're in the smoke!
Too bad.
Peter, get away from the smoke.
I'm not breathing.
Okay, I think that's
That's
the end.
Now,
Fade out.
it'll fade itself out.
I'm fading it out. Nighty-night. Still going.
Sure.
Who are you going to get to put up with you, Alicia? Anyway, where is he tonight?
He is opening a new show on Friday night, so we've got a tech rehearsal tonight.
Smile and look happy, please. Smile and name. Make like we're happy here. Pretend. Hey, what's that? Michael, why did you lose it? There's Karen making a rare appearance.
Do it in the snow now. I made it. Wait for it.
You made the carrot cake?
I want to go back and get it. The cake I made.
Happy carrot to you. Regina, who's still sing, right? Are you singing okay?
You know something? I realized when I came here that I had purple socks on, and I said, so what? That's the way I am.
That's right. What are you doing?
Stella, all we heard was how wonderful you were. Christmas, New Year's Eve, we were so jealous. Yeah.
Yeah.
Glad for the party.
That's why we wrote the art.
Oh, put that on the tape. Put that on the tape. And we said, boy, we wish Stella was here with us. We're having fun, but where's Stella?
It's, go ahead. Oh, you might miss
My article.
Oh, Lisa, I was going to ask you to do that.
Yes, I did.
Could we say the word Bobondo though on it?
That's up to you. You're the
Oh,
editor.
all right.
Your decision.
Bernice said no because as far as they're concerned, only he is known as Bobondo, she is not. So it's Bobondo, not Bobondos.
You should have heard the song Bernice sang.
I heard.
How does it go?
Oh, Stella, I wanted to ask you, Watch this. I watched this. Sal, I wanted to ask you if you were right about for the newsletter. The Florida trip. Were you right about it for the newsletter?
I don't know if I can do that fun. Will you take that camera off, please?
Here's the
You
puzzle
videoing
piece.
it?
Here's the puzzle piece, Michael, and here's the
You're not
burning.
ruining a video.
The burning.
I'm not ruining a video.
Here, Michael. Shut up. Burning. Burning.
Finally, the puzzle is done.
We have conquered so many things today. The ship. And then the puzzles. The blocks too, right?
The blue pieces.
Boo! I'll do it one time.
I'm
one
doing it.
time.
No.
I'll let one, so it stinks. Let me.
What the fire?
Green flame! Green flame!
Okay.
Oh, let me get that last piece. Hold on. Can I do the last piece?
Oh, come on, Peter. Oh, Peter.
You moron!
Variable.
Whoa.
Put the fire out. Well, I get the last piece. I want to get the last piece. This is the last piece.
Ooh, ah.
Gone.
Burned the yes, it fell off.
Fell off to certain death. Oh yeah, I got another one up there.
Camera can't focus in like the fire.
Look, I got another one.
Was that the last one, Peter?
Yep.
Not.
I know. I don't care. Throw it in. Ah, give it. Oh, I got the last piece.
Let's see it.
Right here. Oh man, that
Well,
piece
throw
that
it
I
in.
threw in is catching fire.
Go in. Come on.
You have it, I know you do. I see it, I'm not stupid.
Come on.
I already saw it.
Throw it in.
Give it to me.
No, throw it in. All right, let's throw them together. 1, 2, 3, throw!
Somebody just throw them.
You throw yours first, Daddy.
Can you throw it? I'm gonna eat mine.
Yeah, right.
There, look. You'll never know, Peter. Oh, yes,
the
last piece.
Oh yeah?
Nice skiing up there.
Michael, you want me to start the video camera?
No.
I can take a couple of entries.
It's nice skiing up there.
Are you videotaping?
I mean, that's what makes it fun.
Hey, Dad,
Oh,
see that
goodness.
tiny ravine?
Where?
The little canyon. So that's a secret, Mommy.
899,000
Like
bottles
what this
of
will
beer on the wall. 899,000 bottles of beer. If one of those bottles just happened to fall, 897,000 bottles of beer on the wall.
I'm riding like this so I can see better.
Somebody forgot to shut the door.
Michael.
Peter, you're a stupid fool.
Estes National Park.
It's almost too big to go.
Mommy, look at the solar panels. The solar panels. Over here. Down.
Howard Chipmunks.
Yep. I'm not taking a picture of it.
Take a picture of the last chipmunk.
No.
Take a picture of some different animal.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. Of the next.
Coming out of that valley was draining all those peaks. Did you get that bird?
Yes. Mommy, what's a ped? There's a ped acting.
It's a big animal. It's a big animal with 6 legs.
Wow, let's see if we can see one. Maybe we'll see some peds.
What are you probably wouldn't go all the way down. You just
A
go
normal
few feet and
candy
you get
bar
stopped by
before-
the trees, but
At
it
11,000
still wouldn't
feet?
be so pleasant. Oh yeah, I wonder what that is. What a pretty gray, pretty gray. That's because they all get fed here. I think they saw a squirrel too.
Which is quite a view, guys. Let's fill up the mountain, Peter. Michael, where's your candy bar?
It's
What happened?
the bird just flew by. In front of our face. Sitting right on the fence.
That's where we
That's
started.
that horseshoe meadow where there's that bighorn sheep,
Yeah,
and then we went up and around and up and around and up and around and up and around.
yeah.
Think
Say
there
it's
down there.
alluvial
It's an alluvial
fan.
fan,
Alluvial fan, which means
it's the debris that come down with the spring floods. It's all the rocks and debris. Look at this guy here. Hello, little guy.
these guys want to get fed.
I'll pet you.
Now you'll see this baby Ruth. When you're at 12,000 feet, it starts to blow up. Notice? Okay. This is what Bruce drove all these millions of miles to do. Stop! Stop it! What a bunch of idiots. This is a delicate ecosystem. You just got me! Stop! This is a delicate ecosystem which they're destroying. Stop! Why am I standing here?
On the cold light, right in the butt.
All right.
Okay,
I'm
I don't know if you can see this, but these are some ski tracks going down the...
From Boston to the Rockies, how can they stand it? How can the guy...
See how long it takes that stuff to light? And if you get another few 1,000 or 2 feet higher, it just kind of fizzles. I remember trying to light a cigarette at 12,000 feet.
Yeah.
And it just...
I think I got everything except that, because
Makes no difference whatsoever.
I think I reversed like the pause and the record.
Is it a Mormon?
Okay, I don't
Yeah, something like that.
You want to give me that? This? Oh. Because I want to take this pretty slow.
What a nice little animal.
It's
Like
like a
blind.
mole rat. That's a mole rat.
No, it
Not a
isn't.
mole rat, it's got hair.
He's building a nest.
It's like a marmot or something.
Look at mom. I don't know. Where are the rangers when you need them?
I can't even see Nicholas. Mike, keep looking in there.
And then that move.
Get off the grass. Amanda, you're not supposed to step on the
Watch it.
Daddy to hold you up?
Right over here. You can step right here, but don't step too close. Oh, the beautiful flowers.
Well, there's our house for tonight. I want everybody on this video to know that there are no facilities in this place. And there are zillions of mosquitoes. What can I say? Cost $8.
The animal has big head.
That's the facilities. Maybe the fire will make the mosquitoes go away.
If I can ever get a fire.
Hoot. Looks like the sun is going to set soon. I'm scared. Okay, Peter Darling is now going to attempt to break the log.
Again,
Fire is
Aim
there,
for it.
Peter is here.
aim for the ground.
That's what I do.
All
All
right.
right. Don't fall, Michael. I wish I can capture the smell, the fragrance of the flower.
Like there's that sweeping part that goes all the way down?
Yeah, why do you think that rock is split like that? It's interesting. People are talking about the weather. There's some kind of a weather front coming. They say it could snow at any time in this part. Don't see no snow.
Huge thing.
Here's some more elks. Stupid video camera, can't see them. 1, 2, 3.
This camera can't see him. This thing has a little zoom in.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Peter,
There's a
wait.
deer right here. We had a better view of it 2
God.
seconds ago. Oh, yeah.
Wait, Peter.
Wow.
Holy moly.
Holy moly, huh?
Alright, that's enough.
Oh, I want to see its head again.
Oh, dear. You can just lie down now. Can't see him at all.
Like the city is probably gonna run over him.
There he comes.
It's really tame.
Wow.
Okay.
Yep.
Michael?
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at him. You're not going to give it to him that way here.
Hello.
You know, our Berkshire kids would have run
Big
away.
ears.
Yeah.
Hiya! Hey, Mr. Deary, look, he's coming over.
Huh.
Oh, Mommy, he thinks you're gonna feed
He's
him.
gonna butt you.
Oh my God. Michael, you taking this?
Yeah.
Are you taking this, Michael?
Like, Mommy, he thinks you're gonna feed him.
Are you taking this, Peter?
I already took 3
It's
shots
all right,
in like
it's all right.
of the deer.
This is
2
amazing.
shots.
This is absolutely amazing.
My
Oh, wow.
God!
He's gonna go over to some.
Kinda tame. I'm running low on battery.
All right. That was good.
I'm gonna pull up and.
No, but Peter, 1 picture is enough.
Where is it? Where is it?
Good, go ahead,
going.
go ahead.
I don't see it. It's a moose, but I don't see it.
Keep shooting, keep shooting. Keep shooting, there he is.
He's right over there.
Keep shooting.
Where?
He's
In the woods, in the woods, up the hill.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Moose!
Maybe I'll get him. I can't tell from this video
I know,
camera.
it's hard, but look at it. Oh, look at him, he's right there. Woo! Everybody stop.
Where?
He's gone.
No, he's gone now. Okay,
Oh, there he is. Far away.
got him?
Yeah, you can't get much anymore.
Whoa, people!
Look, I'll tell you, we've seen just about everything
God,
now.
I never hoped this is completely unusual.
There's nobody coming right now.
The moose.
What are they?
Yeah,
No, no.
Oh, they're in their band. One of them has a band on it, it looks like.
What the?
Radio collar, probably.
Huh.
My God, what are those? Female moose? That thing is supposed to be out of business.
I think I see it.
I stopped.
That's a buffalo.
You want to get out? Get out, kid.
You can get out.
The fence.
Get out, get out!
Take the damn thing.
What the hell is focusing on the fence?
Well,
Go
get
out.
out.
Go
Get
out.
out.
Go out to the fence.
Can you get out and do it, Michael, with the battery?
I could, but it'll take some...
Well, get out and stand up.
Never mind, I got it.
You didn't have to get out and stand up.
I got it.
Is it one buffalo or more? This buffalo get out?
The door's open. Ah!
Here's a nice house for Santa. Here's your backyard.
Yeah, those red flowers. Back at that big cliff.
What do you want?
Trick or treater Jedediah Smith, 260 members of the American Tour Company headquarters on Great Salt Lake. Rolling.
Very nice.
Bruce likes it. I can't say that I'm not fond of it myself. Really beautiful here. Really beautiful.
Cinemax?
Look at these flowers in Hawaii, man. They're messed up, yeah.
Peter is reading a book about Hawaii while we are looking at this.
variable. Here, Michael, or your back is bothering you too much now.
Yeah, no. I got a bit.
Oh, no, that's not good. We'll see it again.
Okay.
They being sarcastic.
No.
This is quite a spectacular place. Scenic Drive.
At least we don't have time.
I don't know where to go.
89 you take.
Should I crash the car or should I see the site?
Just watch that transmission. So red.
Red wall. Ah! What?
Let me like.
Oh,
Let's be on our way. You like this place, huh?
not bad.
Oh, okay.
It's just like New York.
Yeah.
Okay. Who would rather be home doing homework now?
I would.
Look at those colors. You mean the Grand Canyon is more spectacular than this?
Look, this is a national park.
This is spectacular. This is really spectacular.
National parks aren't good on
Oh, is there a cave?
that. Looks man. You see it?
Man-made?
Yeah.
what?
I think it's man-made.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Right up that cliff there. It's a big hole. It goes right in. It looks like a road should be coming
Is
right
that
out of
it?
it.
That is man-made.
No? Good stuff.
Look at all those shrubs.
Go over there, listen.
Tunnel.
The one with the
Turn
fat
on.
woman
It's like
in it.
dark tunnel. Remove
Oh,
sunglasses.
we're going into a tunnel. Let's see
No
if this
stops
tunnel-
in tunnel.
No stops in tunnel. Is it one lane tunnel? Michael, no belching.
Yep. It's
Oh,
one
there
lane.
it is.
Oh, it's got 13, 1, and
Actually, it's got 2
11, 4.
lanes.
That's how to go to the lane, though.
Oh, we're back in the tunnel.
Look at that.
Another one. We didn't even see this other one.
It looks like, yeah, but it looks like it makes you want to stop.
What makes you want to?
Just gives you a little light. There's light at the end of the tunnel.
No.
All different angles.
It's called Confusion Rock.
Look up in front of us, up the road.
Oh, yeah.
Confusion Rock.
Canyon?
Huh? Excuse me?
I said, I don't know.
Whoever saw something?
Huh?
Yeah. Well, you got money. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. Wow. Another like
This is a natural bridge thing, yeah. That's how the natural bridge is starting.
Turkey buzzard,
There you go.
buzzard.
You get it?
Why does it get so circular like that?
I think
Who can tell me?
It's the grain of the sandstone. It's the way the sandstone was laid down, I guess.
I think it's people just come over here and carve it with a chisel.
Oh, all right.
People behind me on that.
This is called checkerboard. Checkerboard what? Mesa?
Checkerboard Mesa.
Because it's supposed to look like a checkerboard, doesn't it? Somebody came over and scratched all those lines on it. Amazing what people could do. Indian reservation.
Go the right direction?
Yeah. Strange. Oh.
All right, I'm ready to go.
Coming.
Wow.
You won't get anything, it's too dark. River, quite a bit bigger than it was back when in Colorado, right?
This looks just like
Where the
Beggars
raft is.
Canyon, only Beggars Canyon has the water.
Oh, right there.
You want to get out?
This is a huge
Get
canyon.
out, Michael, get over the thing.
Come on.
Yeah, lady. What do you want?
There's the Grand Canyon.
Right,
Yeah, I'm videoing it. Oh, right there. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
We could probably climb right here.
Okay, let's go.
Sure. Why didn't you let me?
Michael, oh God. Dude, get him away from there. All right, that's enough.
Ooh.
See those white cliffs way over there?
It's not good.
We'll find it better.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, have it right over there. Where those white cliffs are is where the Indian cliff dwellings were that we passed about 2 hours ago as we came around the canyon. It's a real raven.
Should I take a picture of it?
No.
Nevermore.
Michael's videoing.
Nevermore. Nevermore.
Nevermore.
Nevermore.
Nevermore.
Never.
He's getting confused.
It's really spectacular.
My brains are going into my feet.
Michael, do you see the river? Did you take the
The river, huh? What is that?
Over to the right. That's turning the river. Nice river.
How many pictures should I take here, Daddy? One? Did I ever take one of this?
Am I going in the right direction?
Don't touch the camera.
Looks like one of you.
Yeah.
That river. Oh, yeah, that's just a river, isn't it? So,
Should I take another picture?
What are those people doing down there?
Down where?
There's a guy with the binoculars and a robot. There's a river down there.
A lot of rapids there.
It's starting to get windy.
The problem with focusing.
don't know these videos, don't.
Action.
This isn't Tijuana.
You came from Central Park.
That looks like a prairie dog. It's not a squirrel.
Well, I think the prairie dog's in the squirrel family, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but
I mean, look at him.
Maybe it
Our
is.
squirrels don't sit up like that at home.
yeah, I
Yeah,
saw a
ours
picture
do.
of it. It's exactly
Ours
it
do.
looks like a sentinel or something. I read the whole article about the prairie dogs.
Well, I'm sorry, the park ranger told me they were brown.
I'm gonna. Y'all won't. What's the doo-doo?
Oh, great. I probably just stepped in it. I'm on the video. Oh, here's this thing. Okay. Hi. Yummy. Yeah, rocks in the rock.
I guess. Yeah, right. They don't want me to follow them. Yodeling, woo-hoo! Yodeling, woo-hoo!
Oh, we gotta catch up with them.
Yodeling, woo-hoo!
The rare species
Say
of
we should
mommy.
go farther, or are you lying?
Oscar.
Beasties.
We're gonna go around the bend and then we'll come back.
Beasties. What's happened to his head?
You notice the heat, Michael? How much warmer it is down here?
Oh, yeah. Where is she? There she is. There's mommy again. Where is she? There she is. A beautiful scenery. Hey, what are these guys doing? What the? Hey, howdy down there. Hey, more beautiful scenery. Hey, what the heck are these guys doing again?
Okay, here.
Hey, Daddy, come over here and look at these horses. They're like not even moving. Wow. Nice bird.
So
Hey, Daddy, wait up.
Take you about
Oh, thanks.
2 hours.
Alright, you can go now. I'm right behind you. Okay, here's a rainbow.
It's the other end of it over here.
Oh, yeah?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Just take
Take your damn seatbelt.
Can't really see it well.
No,
Yes, you can.
maybe
But
you
it's good,
can't.
it's good.
Open your window.
Whatever you can get, Michael.
And does it go around all the way? Oh, yeah, that's better. Not that I can see anything. Okay.
that's it. It's not as huge as it.
No, the other side.
It's just long. It goes down more. Not very wide. Like it's wide enough.
Well, hot enough for you? Hot
Try.
enough for you, Michael?
Try.
Nah, this is nothing.
Try heat, no problem.
Mom.
Just a couple.
So like that Batman where Batman, this is not
Full.
This isn't the main dam.
This is.
Can't see Jack. Hoover Dam. Well, nothing's going wrong here. Everything's okay. Ah, it's
Spectacular.
Oh, you know one of those fountains?
I want to see it turn off. That's the most spectacular part of it.
Special guest Bobby Moore.
Dead, man. Oh, I love that. Those things.
Yeah.
They have spruces.
Yeah, here they put on the show, outdoor show.
Yeah, they're doing the show right now. Oh, it's closing June 30th, 1996, this ends.
That's waterfall.
Boy. Yeah, good eye.
Oh, wait a minute. To walk in there, you have to walk a mile just to get into the place.
They have one in Hollywood. And a one? Cool.
I'm ready to 75-cent beer.
Hogan's. Look at the guy pointing at the...
Yeah, he thinks it's the Michelangelo.
Yeah, right. He's got the wrong...
That's smart. This is all new.
Boy,
Michael.
Everybody walking.
they're walking up there.
They have these things
Oh, going up. Right,
sliding.
this way.
Sliding.
Oh, the thing that's... Oh, there's the truck. Does Dexter's Avenue have a casino?
I don't know. I've never been.
I come to
I challenge you. You need to house at July 14th, 1996.
I'll be there. Where could he be? I've been here all day already. Huh?
I've been waiting.
Aha. Feel the force of my awesome wrath. I will get you, you fool.
Oh,
Aha.
that is what you think.
Oh. Ah.
Haha.
Oh. Ah.
So I said, all right, we're going back. Bertie's held on to it, and then I brought it back, and it makes it a little cozier. Something.
It's great. It's nice.
It's our patio, Michael, out there, see?
The patio is delightful.
Yeah.
I was sitting out there yesterday morning when you were gone.
Still technically. Trees have all been
Okay.
stuff down.
That's it.
Bye. Let's go. Do you have the
Where's
egg
the car?
short all day long? No, that must be expensive.
It is. Just for these 3 months.
Now you have to. I don't know. Don't be like me here and Joe.
No, just for these 3 months. I
Oh,
can't
one more gossip. Joe is the... What?
The video.
Oh. You're right. One more gossip. Hi, Michael.
All right, Michael.
Hi, here we are on the Mexican border on our way to Mexico over there, which is Tijuana. See where it is? Tijuana.
Ay, caramba, I steal the snatcher. Sorry, caramba, I steal the snatcher.
What Bruce is doing is he's putting the
Ignore the thief.
Mattresses in the car because we don't want to get robbed. Not that we'll get robbed, or prejudice or anything, but one must be careful. The weather is beautiful here in Tijuana, which we're not there yet, but I just want to say that it might be chilly today, but it's going to be hot tomorrow. Let's go. Maybe I'll get a Mexican shirt or Mexican blouse.
How far do we have to walk?
Don't know. bus is going to Tijuana. We're four.
Hello, we're from Mexico, Tijuana.
What have we here?
Hey, you took 2 pictures.
No, I didn't.
How to bargain. Say, look, how to bargain in Mexico.
No. You go to
Read
one.
this. How to bargain in Mexico.
Yeah, good.
I have to get my other glasses on
All
too.
right. How to bargain in Mexico. Is this Mexican or American? Give them whatever they ask.
Give them double. If they say 10, you say no,
Right.
15.
Because the prices are much too low on this. Poor Mexicans.
No, that's the Bruce method of bargaining.
Here we all are. And there's Peter. All by himself. Hi-ho, Peter! Peter's not bored.
You want your club? It's right there.
Looks just like 145th Street. Nice, right, Mommy?
Here we are in Tijuana.
I'm not. Do you want to? It's one safer one. I don't think it's, they don't bother.
No, they celebrate death. They have a big carnival of death. Everything is skeletons and things like that.
Oh, yeah.
O envíe 9.99 por un cassette doble o disco compacto más 3.50 envíe manejo a la dirección de su pantalla.
Michael's gonna knock himself out.
What hamburger did you get? Classic double cheeseburger, $15.90 and...
$45.60 for 2 hamburgers? What is it?
Here, Michael, come here, Michael. Try that. Hakaraban for men. Look. Smell it then. For God's sakes, what'd you come in here for?
Man, if you break one of those bottles, you probably owe a lot of money.
Fine.
Falls for it?
Okay, that's it then. We'll go out here. Thank you. Always say thank you. Does it make a good impression, right?
Yep. Here it doesn't matter because, like, we hardly do anything.
These are nice fans. Nobody's already got a pretty nice fan. Oh, it's nice.
I don't know, Peter. I don't know. Probably not.
Probably, man. You think every single country speaks English?
All right, I think that's all they've got, Michael. I'm going this way. No, I'm just looking.
Nothing?
Nothing. I don't smoke.